Moin Moin, my name is Stefan. I'm from Tea Addicts, and our mission is to excite you for great and for real tea. And this episode is about Aracha, about Sencha Aracha. This is a classical Japanese tea. The variety is Yabukita. And Aracha Sencha, we got 12, 15 kilos of those sacks here in our shop. And this is something what Jürgen, he just came back from Japan. It's my job now to tell you something about that. Aracha is a pre-Sencha. You can say that's a raw tea. If you have a look inside the tea itself, usually a nice Sencha is very homogeneous. It got the same green kind of color. And if you look inside this tea, you can see that it's kind of a 50 shades of green. You got all kinds of green colors inside. This tea is not sorted and it's not refined. And after refining, it becomes Sencha in different kinds of grades. You also have cookie cha. The stem material, if you roast it, you have this typical hojicha. In Aracha, you can also find those bombs. You told me that I have to mention that. You have these bombs-like things, and these are typical being sorted out. This is like compressed tea, which like stuck inside the Sencha machine. Because this tea is not sorted, it's a raw thing. It got different feelings of taste, and I would say this kind of tea, this Aracha especially, has very, very nice palate and facet feeling. Usually, if you buy a Sencha, you have one or the other. It's more like, okay, this Sencha is clearly a greeny, grassy one, and this Sencha is a Fukamushi style. It's more like a umami and sweet style Sencha. But this tea has, I would say, it's also grassy notes inside. You have this spinach, you have this pea, this green peas feeling, and also this umami feeling of which reminds you of miso paste, miso soup, and sometimes even chicken. And it's also got this length, this feeling of deepness inside, and also this really bright and fresh green color. It's like glowing. Drinking Aracha has a kind of a philosophy, and Aracha is as I said, it's a raw tea, and this is what people on the fields and people in the fabrication drinks. They are drinking Aracha. What I learned in Shizuoka is a Sencha, which has been refined and has been sorted, is somehow a commodity. The mindset is, this is what I've done for someone else. This is like I give it out, and this is for someone else. And this thing, this raw tea, this Aracha, this is something what I can enjoy myself. And this comes from my fields. And after refining, after giving away, after refining again, then it's kind of out of my hands. And so this is what I really like about this mindset or this philosophy of Aracha, of drinking Aracha. And I believe, I guarantee you that you will enjoy this tea, because this is because it's a Aracha, it's kind of a special thing. And I would like to thank you for watching, and see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.